victim. Outside the village, 2226 Sullivan Trail, Puffin. What's coming? County 5251.
Alright, they're on tack 1.
Okay, I'm on tack 1 and 2. Who's on tack 1? You hear Danny on tack 1? No.
County 5211, 5242 responding.
5211, 5242 responding at 1530, kind of 5311.
5311, go ahead, County.
Your ETA there?
30.
We'll be there in 30 seconds.
Receive.
11, 5412.
5412, go ahead.
5211.
Yeah, where are you now?
5256, command. Fifty 53. This is 5211. We have full crew, 6 guys on board pack. 5242, I have 5 guys. 3 packs.
Turn that siren off.
52, 56, and 50 command.
Right here, good.
County 5311 on location.
Location 1532.
We're going to work.
Alright.
We're going to work.
On this side here, because you're just pushing it out. That's fine. Alright, we're repositioning it now, and we'll tell you when to charge them. He's got the front, he's pushing it back towards you, alright? What was that? Going to Hecktown Fire Station now, coming in front. Yeah, well, they're not throwing anything out this side window. We're going to hit with the 6.5 inches going up the side of the house. $5011 to 52. You want the blitz charge? On 5011. 5011. The blitz. 5011. Charging at 2.5. $50 to 5052. You want you turning gray now instead of black out front here. Yeah, affirmative. I saw gray coming from the Bravo Charlie side. Everybody responding over to the Palmer Social Club to take a picture.
Canada to have your spike 1609 hours 9 South 27th Street, 62-year-old male feeling faint.
Responding Nazareth Borough with 5.
Responding at 1610.
5052 to 50 commit. We're going to enter the house to the right. We stand on the back door. The tower's now. Tower's coming to the roof. 251. Come on, go ahead. Down off the Charlie side inside. You got roof on the roof, and the roof is not too safe. Pull them out of there. In the back, you got 3 guys in. Pull them out. I don't want them with that roof because the roof's on fire now. Guys out. Lawrence, pull them out. 255, you hear that? They're rear to 5. Back out. Yeah, hit the other factory, so get them out.
All fire apparatus working, fire gun, Nazareth Borough, evacuate the structure. Evacuate the structure 1612.
Ready to cook, go ahead.